Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Brazil national football team fan token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the Brazil national football team fan token BFT is an official digital asset designed to depend on connection between the legendary five-time World Cup winning team and its global fan base through exclusive engagement and rewards. Fan engagement tool. It grants holders voting rights on team-related decisions and access to unique experiences and loyalty programs. Blockchain-based, the token operates on the BTCI chain, leveraging blockchain for secure, transparent fan intersections. Event-driven ecosystem, its utility and attention peak around major tournaments like the FIFA World Cup, aligning with the team performance and fan sentiment. BFT token total supplies. BFT project institution rating is 3.1. BFT token total supply is 28.77 million and circulating supply is also 28.77 million BFT token. BFT token is listed on MEXC, Hotcoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.